Standard 9, Subject Science and Technology. Lesson number 9, Environmental Management. Let us see weather and climate. Atmospheric condition at the specific time at a particular place are called as weather. Atmospheric conditions depend upon a variety of the factors. For example, atmospheric pressure, sunlight, clouds, humidity, rainfall, visibility, temperature. Weather depends upon prevailing condition of air. The climate of a particular region is the average of the daily reading of the various weather related parameters recorded for the several years. Hence, climate is a long-term predominant condition of the atmosphere. Now all of you see about the weather and climate. Climate does not change continuously. Climate is that which remains constant in a region for long duration. Thus, we see that weather is related to a specific location and specific time, whereas climate is related to a longer duration and larger area. Changes in the weather may occur for short periods of the time, whereas changes in the climate take place slowly over a much long duration. Now let us see the important role of climate. Climate plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. It influences our basic needs like food, clothing and shelter, as well as our occupations. Climate is especially important for an agrarian country like India. Various climatic factors like direction and speed of the wind, temperature, atmospheric pressure, etc. are considered during the construction of runways, seaports, huge bridges, and skyscrapers. Now let us see the importance of the weather in the living world. See the first point, daily weather as also long-term climatic conditions influences human lifestyles directly or indirectly. Land, water bodies, plants and animals collectively form the natural environment on earth. This environment is responsible for the development of the organism. Second point, the climate of a particular region helps to determine the diet, clothing, housing, occupations and lifestyle of the peoples of that region. For example, characteristics lifestyle of Kashmiri and Rajasthani peoples. Point number third, salinity of the marine water, formation of the oceanic currents, water cycle, etc. are all related to the various weather and climatic factors. Point 4. Various climatic factors bring about a weather of rocks in the earth's crust. Point 5. Climate plays a very important role in the formation and enrichment of the soil. Last point, microbes in the soil play an important role in formation of the organic materials. This process depends upon various climatic factors. Let us see about the meteorology. The science that studies the interrelationship between the various components of air, natural cycles, geological movement of the earth and climate is called meteorology. And meteorology includes study of the storms, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning, etc. And depending upon the such of factor, weather forecasts are made, and they are useful to common people, farmers, fisheries, aviation service, water transport, and various other organizations. So it is very clear that meteorology is very important for the human life. Thank you.